Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to change background color in Figma. So for example, let me just create something. So let's for example create a new geometrical figure. So let us just choose the polygon, right? Let us just create it like that. And now guys, you just need to go to position, and now you just need to go to design. And in the design under polygon, as you can see, we have here fill. So fill is actually going to be our background color selection tool. So you just go to you can actually type in your code by yourself. So if, for example, you found some code on the internet, there are actually websites that provide them with a certain color. Now you can just insert it. If not, you just click on this button in here, and you can either make it, as you can see, brighter or less bright. And of course, you can just drag this little button with your mouse, and you can set any color you want. And of course, don't forget about this one, right? So just to change the color, so you just change the color, and you can choose from the more luminant one, less luminant one. You know, you can make it less intense. And also, if you want to make it transparent, you can also do it by this slider, right? Also, you can choose on which page, and pretty much that's it, guys. So this is how you change the colors. So enjoy, guys. Hopefully this helps you. If it did, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. See you soon in the next one.